Yeah, man, I say big and bad, straight. You see the people, are some of them people where I come on YouTube and I make some little video and I big up Alkaline and them come and like them want to push down cartel. I'm telling you something, man, some of them not chat rubbish. So me I say, I don't know say cartel a bad DJ, well educated boy. So me I say, I don't know say Spice a well educated girl, Popcorn a well educated artist. I do ya. You see me? But you know rate some of them man yeah. And you guys are the fantastic same way. Some of them are coming in a blood clot crap on YouTube to try to sink Vybz Kartel and the Gaza thing. Let me tell you something. Someone focus up on the Mama Rasta. Yeah. You know I violate the teacher. You see me? And if the man doubt you, someone not do that. You see me? Me not say Alkaline can't do anything. But watch out, Alkaline thief cartel style too. Yeah. So listen, I want to come on YouTube and make a video. I want to try to sink the world boss. I don't think that people are bomb buck like this. I don't want to say I want to understand. If you don't know not to talk to man, love Gaza thing. If you don't know the vendetta thing, you stick to no Batman thing, Rasta. That me I say, because nobody don't know what vendetta. I don't know what vendetta mean in Rasta. So, me there from behind the mini, and I can't tell me no. Yes, me know Popcorn, me know Spice. But the blood clot do some of no Rasta. Yeah, me I say man, Gaza. All Gaza from out there stand up strong because they try to sink cartel. Even some of these international people where have access to the media, I try to sink the man, push him on side. You see me? Yeah. That's what me I say. It's just like the pastor man, you know. They fuck up the little girl and everybody are defending him. You see what me I say? And if it was a ghetto youth or a ghetto man do that, nobody will not defend him. You see me? Through my past, I'm not people are prison. People are blood clot prison. So I saw me I try to show you how some of them stay. They might violate cartel. And I try to push up I try to get an Alkaline the hype over cartel. Me not say Alkaline bad like cartel. Not even the man blood clot sleep. Alkaline not bad like cartel. The media is fuckery. And that me I say all the while. The media is bomb clot fuckery. You see me? Them take side with a new man that come in their business. They try to sink cartel, true enough of them don't like him. Vybz Kartel to the blood clot, or like me say Gaza. So who don't like me go suck on no mother, straight.